Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to you, and welcome to session two of the Writer's Workshop, where authors are at work and we're creating stories. Remember, we were talking about adjectives. Now, we're going to add a little bit more to our sentence. So, remember, we started out with a simple sentence. And we said, I saw a dog. Remember, that was a simple sentence. And we said our dog was our noun. But we didn't want to leave it as plain old a dog. No, we want to expand our sentences by putting in an adjective. So we did this. We said, I saw a brown German Shepherd. So that was the kind of dog we saw. I think that's how you spell it. Okay. Or maybe we will, this time we'll say, I saw a brown, let's keep it simple for you. I saw a brown poodle. There we go. So we changed our dog into a brown poodle. So now we're letting the reader see that what kind of dog that we actually saw. So today we're going to expand that just a little bit more. And we want to know, where was the dog going? Or was it going anywhere? Or what was the dog doing? So what was he doing? So now we want to expand to what? What is the dog doing? So we want to expand it. So now, let's see how this might sound. I saw a brown poodle running up the road. Okay, I saw a brown poodle, and what was he doing? Running up the road. So now, as you see, we have expanded that sentence. We started out with, I saw a dog. Then we said, what kind of dog? I saw a brown poodle. What was the dog doing? I saw a brown poodle running up the road. Now, I want to say, where was he going? Where was he going? I call this putting flavor to your writing. Putting some flavor in it, adding those seasonings, putting some flavor in it, making it real delicious, right? So, where was he going? Well, let's see. He could have been running up the road, hey, to chase a cat. How about that? So, I saw a brown poodle And what was he doing? Chasing a cat. So there we have flavor. We have flavor. Yes. Now, we don't want to stop right there because I have a thing about starting sentences with I. It's okay sometimes, but sometimes I like to say, let's put a character on it. Let's give our sentence some character. So let's put a character on it. Let's say, Bob. Okay? Now, when you say Bob, guess what? You gave it a character. Yes. So it wasn't I saw. Take me out. Yeah, just take yourself out of that sentence and give it to somebody else. It's okay. Give it to somebody else. So now we have Bob saw a brown poodle running up the road chasing a cat. Doesn't that sound more like a third, fourth, or fifth grade sentence? Yes, so guess what? Today we talked about expanding our sentence with what is it doing, where is it going, and running up the road to do what? Okay, to see what? We have to put details. That is the magic word today, is details. That's the Writer's Workshop word on today is details, details, details. All of these are details. The brown poodle is a detail, running up the road is a detail, chasing a cat is a detail, and Bob is a detail. Don't forget your details. Until next time, I'll see you back at the Writer's Workshop. Have a great day.